Introducing my latest offering in Admiralty Point, the pinnacle of the mornings. A fabulous direct Gulf of Mexico view awaits you at this entirely renovated and remodeled second floor condominium located at Entry 4. This residence was taken down to the studs in 2012. Everything in this condominium is only 4 short years old, including the AC, ductwork, electrical, and the entire floor plan. The box-like walls of the original 1976 construction have been removed and have been left an open and airy feeling in their stead. Marble floors and countertops in the large guest bathroom. Concrete and glass inlaid counters in the master suite. Beautiful and unique cabinetry and closets boasting natural light are just some of the upgrades you'll enjoy. Located at Entry 4, your steps to the Sunset Lounge pool and 3 grills are at your direct disposal. Admiralty Point offers one of the most desirable amenity packages along Gulf Shore Boulevard. With 2 pools including 1 full-size lap pool, 2 spas, a children's pool, 2 tennis courts, 24-hour security, a full maintenance staff, and over 10 acres of land occupying the cusp of Doctors Pass and Moorings Bay. It's truly the most unique property along Gulf Shore Boulevard. Current construction includes a bayfront state-of-the-art fitness facility, new common room and kitchen, manager's office, and a new gatehouse. Call me to discuss Admiralty Point and other properties along Gulf Shore Boulevard.